in order for you to manifest talaga, you have to stay excited and happy and inspired. If you stay in the high vibration, that's when you manifest faster.
It started to rain. The day before the wedding, I felt a little bit of panic from the people around me.
If something doesn't go your way, you stay excited, you stay happy, you stay inspired, grateful. The world will always play with you and your feelings. It's just a matter of how do you stay high vibrational. What you speak about, you bring about. So if you speak about magic, it happens.
In terms of love, how did it evolve now that you're married? Yes, the only approval na wala. Parang yun din talaga yung ano ko na since approved to ni Lord, sino tayo para tumanggi? But looking back at it, isa sa mga biggest realizations ko is that this relationship that we have chose, is a relationship that brought us closer to God.
Yeah.
Like, I don't think, parang lagi mong gino-joke before na I'm the religious one. I read my Bible every day. I talk about my faith. I talk about God. But I also see how you developed your faith and your relationship with God because of our relationship. So what can you say about that?
Yeah, definitely it's something that I've been working on. I think ever since I graduated college, and then mas na work on ko siya when we got together. Kasi every time I'm anxious, si Alec ang isasagot lang sa akin, hindi ako na-anxious kasi may faith ako kay God. So it's a reminder for me to kumapit. Kumapit kay Lord. Na parang, Lord, ikaw na bahala. I surrender everything to you. And every single time we make crazy decision, every single time we have, we're in a crossroad, it's always surrendering to Him. Yun yung final decision na parang, bahala na si Lord, sabi ni Lord eh.
Nagawa natin lahat ng kaya natin gawin?
Yeah, it's listening to where He's guiding you eh.
Yeah.
And not being makulit na ipipilit mo yung gusto mo if hindi yun yung gusto niya para sa'yo.
Yeah. One thing about what you teach, and by the way, you're gonna teach, you have a webinar.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if
Wala na.
Na-upload na natin to, but you just finished your webinar. It's called How to Be a Money Magnet. And you're just teaching people manifestation. One of the things that you always teach about, manifesting is to prepare yourself. It's the preparation phase, right? Okay, you ask, and then now you prepare.
Yeah.
What were the preparations that we did, or you personally did, so that we manifested, the dream wedding? The dream wedding that we had.
Okay. Ang dami. I think the preparation started when we got, exclusive in Small Talk Podcast. We're finally gonna announce. Alec proposed to me on the first month of our relationship. Is it first month? Second month? That year, diba? First month, lumuhod na siya gamit yung sarili kong singsing. Wala pa siyang pambili ng singsing. Sabi, ito yung singsing mo. Halika na. Go-propose na ako sa'yo. We were that sure. So, ito sa preparation already, mentally, emotionally, that yeah, sometimes I wanna, leave Alec, and sometimes he wants to leave me. But, it's our preparation na wala na, we're stuck together forever. We wanted to be stuck together forever. So, yeah, exclusive lang yan na we've been engaged. Pero parang hindi natin kasi kinonsider siya na totoong engagement-ish. Yeah. Ito sa secret.
Yeah, no, but seriously, when I asked, nung manliligaw pa lang ako, very clear naman na ako nun. Endgame na to eh.
Yeah.
The moment na sinabi ko pa lang sa'yo na, Diyos, gusto ko manligaw, sure na ako na pag sinabi ko yung mga words na yon, endgame na to.
Yeah.
Dulo na to.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So,
everything was a preparation.
Pinaka-preparation talaga natin is more than the finances. It's really about the energy that we want to bring into the wedding. I think a month before the wedding, that's when we shifted. Na parang, kasi 2 months before, parang, mangyayari kaya? Totoo kaya ikakasal tayo in 2 months? Tapos, less than 2 months before, nakapag-meeting na tayo, itutuloy ba natin to? Parang ganun tayo diba? And then, a month before the wedding, it was like, or a month and a half, na parang, you know what? Let's just do it. tapusin na natin to. Parang wag natin patagalin. It's the same. If you get married 2026, it's the same as if you get married 2027, 2030. The end goal is just to get married. And even if it's just a civil na dalawa lang tayo elopement, it will still happen, you know? So parang why delay if it's, di ba parang gusto mo naman magpapayat, ano na next year na pag January. Pag malapit na yung matapos yung pustahan, doon na lang papapayat. Gagawin mo din naman siya eh. Gawin mo na ngayon. Ba't mo pa i-delay next year? January 1, sa next month, sa Monday. Di ba? Parang, you just give yourself permission to delay things that you
Truly
desire. So parang nagkikrave ka for how many years, diba? Na pag ako pumayat, talagang, parang ganon, diba? And that's what we didn't want. Na parang, ito sa mental space that, ang laki na iti-take niya mentally if we plan it for like 2 years. Oh my God, mababaliw ako guys. Magiging full-time wedding planner lang for 2 years. I cannot, diba? So, yeah, it was really a preparation a month before that when your tita told us na parang 20 years from now, you want to remember that your wedding is the best day of your life. And you want to remember all the good things in your wedding. So parang tayo na, nag-shift na tayo na, anong pwede natin gawin para maging masaya yung wedding? Yeah. And then, in manifestation, in anything that you want to do, in order for you to manifest talaga, you have to stay excited and happy and inspired. A lot of people, when they try to get something, may gigil, may worry, totoo ba mangyayari kaya to sa akin? May gigil na sana, sige na Lord, sige na Lord, sige na Lord. Begging. That's, low vibration siya eh. Yeah. Nagbe-beg ka, you stay in worry, you're anxious. Fear. Is it gonna happen? Mababayaran ba natin to? Diba? It's all fear. But if you're manifesting and vibrating in a high vibration, ibig sabihin, inspired, grateful, happy, excited, enlightened, joyful, lahat na ng maisip ko na nandun sa high vibration.
Gratitude
even
na.
Peace is nasa gitna lang. Hope, hoping ka lang sana mangyari. Nasa gitna lang yan ng vibrational chart. You can check that. If you stay in the high vibration, that's when you manifest faster. That's when you make things happen in your life. Kahit yung ma-manifest mo, isipin mo, ito ay simple hindi siya material things. Pero alam mo yung pag nasa jeep ka, tapos may exam ka, tapos sana hindi ako malit. Nagpagas bigla yung jeep. Alam mo yung ganong feeling na parang, ba't mo kasi nagpagas? Tapos maghahanap pa ng barya, magpapapalit pa. Oh my gosh, the stress. Tapos parang, actually, kaya yun nangyayari. O kaya yung printer, magpiprint ka, tapos biglang masisira. Nagmamadali ka, tapos masisira yung printer. You create that eh. That's your energy of worry, fear, panic, begging, anxiety. Nasa baba yun ng vibrational chart. Kaya, yun yung namamanifest mo naman. Talagang nasisira yung printer, nalilate yung jeep, diba? And I'm sure marami nakaka-relate siya. Nalala ko nung college, every time may quiz ako, for some reason, doon magpapagas yung jeep na sasakyan ko papuntang UST. And somehow now, even with parking, hindi tayo nahihirapan.
Yeah.
Because we stay excited, happy, enlightened, inspired, even just getting a parking.
Yeah. Oh, one psychological parang application of it na realize ko is, alam mo yung when you're happy, time flies by. Parang ang bilis ng oras. Ang bilis ng oras pag masaya ka, di ba? Pag masaya ka, parang grabe, lumipas lang yung oras. Ay, ang bilis naman, when you're having fun, like, time collapses. It's the same thing when you're trying to manifest. When you're having fun manifesting the thing that you want, the time will be shorter.
Yeah.
Compared to if you're worrying, you're dreading, you're angry, you're anxious, mas tatagal.
Yeah.
Mas mag-e-expand yung oras. So, like, it can be the simple things but also with the great things. Kaya nung nagkaroon na tayo ng shift na parang, okay, starting from today, high vibration.
Yeah.
It's manifested every single day.
Every time
wala nang worry, wala nang doubt.
Paano kaya call out yung isa't isa na Hindi, stay happy. You have to be
Yeah,
happy.
it's
Talo na
done.
tayo.
Yeah.
Maging excited na tayo kasi mangyayari na yung wedding. All positive things. So, hindi na makakatch up yung mundo sa sobrang taas ng vibration natin. We weren't even worrying about the drama around us, the financial aspects of it. Of course, in reality, you have to. Pero, yes, while we know we've been working hard.
Yeah.
So we know nalalapag yun. Kasi tinatrabaho na natin eh. We don't have to worry kailan siya lalapag. We just know na madali to, easy to.
Yeah.
And if that's your mindset, then you make things happen.
Yeah.
Instead of worry. Kasi ganun din naman, at the end of the day, ikakasal ka din, tapos worry yung energy mo. Anxiety yung energy mo, paano babayaran, etc. Eh di ganun din, kinasal ka pero worried ka. Or you can get married happily. Can get married excited ka. Diba?
Yeah. I have so many questions that I want to ask you. But also pumasok lang din sa isip ko. Maganda talaga yung kung meron ako ng card game.
Okay.
So I'm putting it out there. I'm gonna start a business.
Okay.
Manifest ko yan. But also, one of my questions is, we always talk about banner words, right? Banner
Yeah.
words is the word that you start with your year.
Yeah.
Before we talk about your banner word in 2026,
Yeah.
my question is, if you were to have a review word, or let's say summary word for 2025, what would that be?
Magical. It was magical. It was surprise after surprise after surprise after surprise. So it was magical. Like impossible year 2025. My
Yeah.
God.
Yeah. Ako naman, if I were to have like a summary word, it would be testimonial.
Bait nung kanya.
testimony.
Yung sa akin parang Disneyland. Yung sa kanya, testimony.
Testimony yung sa akin. Na parang,
Sige, papalitan ko, gospel.
or hindi man mas malalim, parang proof. Proof na talagang lahat ng mga sinasabi natin about
What you
faith,
speak about, you bring about. So if you
it's
speak
real.
about magic, it happens.
Yeah.
Alam mo, hindi ko lang na-manifest talaga last year na talagang, hindi ko kasi nalagyan ng energy eh. Hindi ko na ganun eh. Yung makanood ng Jonas Brothers 20th anniversary
Yeah.
concert.
You kind of let that go eh. So,
Yeah, kasi parang, oh my gosh, my wedding was so perfect. I don't even care about Joe Jonas at this point. Parang gano'n.
Yeah.
Pero ngayon, parang I regret not watching the...
And ngayon na may BTS na paparating.
May BTS pa. Parang, saan ko ba ilalagay energy ko? Ganon. Pero, I just know. I
Yeah.
just know. It will happen. Ang tinuro sa atin, okay guys, share ko na rin. Tinuro sa atin ng ninang natin, everything that you want is already in the past. If you can visualize it, it's already in the past. Inaantay mo na lang siyang mangyari in the present form, in the current state, in the current form. So, current day. So, para siyang, alam mo yung pag teleserye, the night before, ipapakita yung teaser. Ito yung mangyayari.
Yeah,
O,
sa
magkikis
susunod,
sila, tapos babarilin to, tapos ganyan. So, ikaw naman, alam mo na yung mangyayari, pero you wait for it the next day. And then you watch it. Oh, di ba? Nag-kiss sila. Oh, di ba? Binaril to. Oh, di ba? So, you just wait for it. And that's, after that, di ba, we shifted 2 weeks before the wedding when we met our Ninang Ea. You have to have Ninang Ea in the podcast, by the way. When you had Ninang Ea, when we talked to our Ninang and Ninong, that's when they said, if you can visualize that it's done, na hindi umulan sa wedding mo, it's already in the past. And if you stay excited, happy na hindi umulan sa wedding mo, you keep talking about it. Perfect wedding, best wedding, puro ganun tayo. It's already done in the past. We're just waiting for it to unfold. O, diba? Huminto yung ulan. O, diba?
Yeah.
Dumating yung mga tao on time. O, diba? Happy silang lahat. O, diba? Nangyari yung day 2.
Yeah.
Ito yung breakfast of my dreams. Ito yung happiness level of my dreams. Ito yung staying present of my dreams. Everything's just unfolding as if napanood ko na yung teaser. So, whenever you want something and you can visualize it, na parang gumagalaw na siya sa utak mo, na parang ito na yung storyline niya.
Yeah, may script
It's
na.
already done in the past. It's already done in another realm. It's done.
Yeah.
In a parallel universe, sabi nga nila, tapos na siya. You're just waiting for it to happen in your life.
Wow. That's so cool. Like, if you are seeing the
small
things.
talk last year.
Oh yeah.
It was
For sure.
0 episodes for like months. After your contract, it was 0 episodes. And then, ilang episodes kayo last year? 53?
Yep.
Because you started visualizing na, okay, I'm gonna use the studio, ito yung mangyayari, ito yung concept ko, ito yung i-invitein kong possible guests.
Yeah.
And not everyone happened in the same month or what. But showing up. Pero it was just unfolding. Next thing you know, you have 53 episodes for 2025.
Wild.
Wild.
In fact, kaya nga ngayon din, when we're talking about the team creating the podcast, when I put the 100K subscribers there, it's like, no, that's done. Like,
yeah.
hindi ko yan i-goal. Tapos na yan.
Yeah.
It's already in the past. Now, just watch how we will get there.
Yeah.
Sino yung mga kasama? Ano yung
ginagawa nyo
ano yung
na?
ginagawa natin kakaiba? Doon ako mas na-excite eh. Like, oh talaga Lord, binigay mo na, sure na yan eh. Parang in my perspective, like, no, by the end of this year, sure ako, 100K followers, 100%. But the how is the most exciting part. A lot of people get scared of the how, or they worry about the how. They want to control the how. I don't care about the how. As long as I'm sure of the outcome. The outcome is that 100K. It's gonna happen one way or another. And now, everything just becomes exciting.
Yeah.
Yung script nito, hindi ko siya nasulat yung word per word, pero yung point B na script, nasulat ko na yan.
Yeah.
That's the same with our wedding. It's so funny na when it started to rain, the day before the wedding, I felt a little bit of panic from the people around me.
Yeah, because the coordinator was telling us, i-move na pa sa loob yung tables because it's raining hard, ayaw talaga huminto. And then I texted Alec, babe, pahintuin mo yung ulan. Sabi niya, 2 p.m. wala na yung ulan. Oh my gosh, 2:01, wala nang ulan, guys. Literally, umuulan, basang-basa yung buong area kung saan tayo. Hindi nila ma-set up yung mga tablecloth because it was raining hard. Sabi mo, 2 p.m. wala na yung ulan. As if you can control the rain. Of course, you cannot.
Yeah.
But it was faith that's connecting you na, universe, sinabi ko, hindi uulan, di ba, ng 2?
Yeah.
Good clear skies na, good weather na. And that's what happened.
And my POV there was, nung umulan, I was like, yep, exactly on script. Exactly how I wanted it. Akala ko pinag-pray mo hindi umulan. At I prayed for like my wedding day to be the best, sunny, the best weather. But it had to rain the day before. And I do not have control over the how. But nung umulan, I had zero doubts pa din that the next day would be
ang sabi
the
pa ni
most
Alec,
beautiful
ang
day.
message mo pa was, inuubos lang, babe. Kasi hihinto na.
Sabi niya, babe, pahintuin mo yung ulan. I was like, it should. Dapat nga kanina pa dapat nangyari tong inuubos yung ulan eh. Gets mo? So parang,
it should rain, no panic.
it should rain.
But
it
a lot
is
of
part
people,
of the script.
when there are things that they don't like that's happening in their life, automatic, they switch to lower vibration, panic, worry, fear, anxiety, crying na, no? Hindi na nangyari. Ganyan, diba? Panic ka na, you don't know what to do. Wala na, you feel lost, you feel anxious. So, lalong mangyayari siya, diba? Versus, if something doesn't go your way, you stay excited, you stay happy, you stay inspired, grateful, enlightened, joyful. Ang hirap, sabi ng mundo, hala, anyari, bakit siya masaya? Umuulan na, dapat di siya Tumatalon kami guys nung umuulan, yes! Yeah. Wala nang ulan. Parang it was clear skies, tumatalon kami na parang litong-lito na universe sa atin. Yeah. Parang, ang kulit itong mga batang to, pinapaulan ko na nga. Alam mo yon? Yeah. Parang I would say, it's like, alam mo yung batang inasar mo, tapos napikon, sino nanalo? Yung nang asar. Pero yung batang inasar mo, tapos masaya pa rin siya, hala, ampunin na kaya kita. Alam mo yung parang gusto mo na siyang, gusto ko pa, bilan pa kita laruan kasi di mo nakakatuwa eh. Alam mo yon? So, it's like that. Parang, the world will always play with you and your feelings. It's just a matter of how do you stay high vibrational.
Yeah. No, I agree 100% kasi I remember nung umulan, I was looking out the window and I was like, this is so nice. And I can see people worrying sa peripheral vision ko na parang lumalapit sila, hey, okay ka lang ba? And I was like, yeah,
Yeah.
I am so okay. Like, guys, no need to panic. It's all part of the plan. So parang everything is just beautiful at that point. But again, it's not that attachment. The thing
Hindi, and
is,
sinabi nga sa atin, diba, ng isang ninong natin si Coach Ra, sabi niya, and if it rains, then
if
it's
it
still
rains,
perfect.
it's still perfect.
Parang, if it rains on your wedding day, it's still perfect. A lot of people think na if something doesn't go their way, wala, nasira na yung buhay nila, wala, nasira na yung araw nila. Pero if it happens and your mindset is, maybe this is on purpose.
Yeah.
Maybe part of the script. Maybe part of the plot. Ito yung climax. Ito na, umuulan na, pero papakita niya hindi uulan. Alam mo yon?
Yeah.
That's the exciting part. When you finally see it happen right before your eyes to actually stop yung rain, have people excited, happy with your, whatever you planned out.
Yeah. That's so cool. I think ito yung tinuturo sa libro na The Alchemist. I've read that book before. And it's just turning lead into gold. And then he went on this long, long journey
Mm-mm.
to only find that the magic was within. Na kaya niya naman pala. Kaya niya, all you have to do is to have faith. Because God is giving you signs, but you need to have faith. So parang pinabalik siya sa umpisa for him to realize na, okay, the magic was within me all this time with my faith. So I just really see it as a magical. But, moving forward, 2026 is here. What's your banner word?
My banner word is favored.
Yeah.
Ano sabi mo pag favored ka?
Huh?
Pinagpala.
Pinagpala.
My banner word is favored. Hindi umulan because I'm favored. May parking ako because I'm favored.
Yeah.
What if your banner word kasi is something that's your anchor eh? Your anchor for the whole year. And what if lahat ng nangyayari, even if it's negative, ang nasa isip mo, syempre, favorite ako ni Lord. Syempre, pinagpala ako kaya nangyari to. So I thought, what if? Yun nga yung word ko. So every time may mangyari, good or bad, good or not so good, I would hold on to favored ako. That's why this is happening. God removes a person in my life, favored ako kasi tinanggal niya na ako sa maling tao. God removes, like, let's say, a business from us, favored ako kasi nilayo niya na ako dyan. Etc. Diba?
Yeah.
Even parking. Favorite kong manifestation trick, yung parking, no? May prayer ako, hindi ko sasabihin. Pero may short prayer ako every time nasa parking. Tapos hirap na hirap si Alec. Tapos parang ako, okay, finally sasabihin ko na siya out loud. Itong prayer na to. And then we get parking all the time. All the time.
All the time.
Maybe 4 parking pa yun. Parking slots magkakatabi. Diba? Naalala mo? All the
Yeah.
time.
On a science level though, it's also because your brain kind of activates to just look for that thing.
Yeah.
So what we're talking about here, it's not woo-woo shit. Sorry, not woo-woo stuff.
It's
science-based, guys.
science-based, yeah.
It's
faith-based.
Faith-based. Like, once you focus on that thing, you will find it.
You will get it.
So if you're gonna focus, or even if you're gonna overthink on the good side, overthink on the good things that could happen for you, or like the end result that you want.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Exciting.
Guys, ganito kami mag-usap gabi-gabi. Like, joke lang. Hindi naman. Most of the time, ganito kayo mag-usap. But my banner word for 2026 is legendary. Legendary. I feel like this could possibly be the last year that we won't have a baby. Like we want to, have kids.
Yeah.
Kung kailan bigay ni Lord.
Yeah.
And
parang ngayon, dahil lumabas yung BTS concert dates.
Yeah, next year.
Parang pinag-iisipan ko kailan. Because I just had to like calendar it because may BTS concert.
So for me, this year, I want it to be legendary na like really doing things that I could say that was a legendary year, and I want it to be a habit of me to like really go for the big things and not settle. Because I think one of the things that I realized last year is it's so easy to get into the comfort zone. It's so easy to fall back into the comfort
Yeah.
zone. We've achieved a lot last year. So many things like our dream car, our dream home. But on the flip side, there's also this voice na, well, what more do you want? Like you can just chill there. You can just like relax and
Yeah.
not do anything. I could like the business. It's okay now. We have brands and all. Like okay na. So parang ayokong ma-complacent. That's why medyo parang on the offensive side na parang yeah, let's push a little bit more so that this year becomes a little bit legendary for me.
Yeah.
Kasi parang ayoko mag-fall into that comfort zone kasi we're very young. Like we're very blessed to be achieving all of these things in a very young age, but I still feel like this phase of our life is a preparation. Preparation pa lang to for what's ahead. So let this be the most legendary preparation
Yeah.
that we're gonna do for the next chapter.
I'm excited.
Yeah. But nonetheless, I'm just really happy to spend it with you. Just to wrap it up, like in terms of love and your like the concept of love,
Okay.
how did it evolve now that you're married?
Totoo, kasi 1 month pa lang, parang feeling ko, wala pa akong karapatang magsalita about what it's like to get married. Because 1 month pa lang tayo
No,
kasal.
for me siguro kasi starting nung
How it evolved, I think it's
something nung
like
September. I
no
think
choice, ganon. Parang kahit inis ka na, parang no choice, my God.
it's a lock,
Oh,
guys.
tapos pagka nag-away pa kami, pag nainis pa kay Alex, sasabi ni Alex, parang wala ka nun choice, babe. So parang mas annoying, diba? Pero, wala, it's just a choice every day. That's it.
Yeah.
It's just,
No, but for siguro my question, I would rephrase that to September, like we were just magjowa. And then we got proposed and so many things happened. How has your definition of love evolved? Or what's now? If I could ask you, kung anong main difference ng love no September and then we got proposed, we got so many
parang I
challenges,
feel,
married.
Yeah. Feel ko, it's you finally have a person na, kumbaga, sure ka na yan na yung kasama mo for life. Kasi syempre nung magjowa ka, parang anything can happen. I mean, we fight, I walk out, that's my thing. But like, when you proposed, it's like, oh, I have someone to
Certain.
be with
Mm.
for the rest of my life. So, parang automatic, it was like a love developed from the BFGF kind of kids playing to a new family. Ganon. Parang, it's now a family that we're building. And you also repeat that to me all the time na, and even mga ninong-ninang natin, parang laging sinasabi na, ito na yun, guys. Like, this is now your new family.
Yeah.
So, the only person that you need to protect is each other. That's what changed ever since we got engaged.
I also agree. Ngayon na kasal na tayo, parang ang iniisip ko palagi is no, yung sinasabi ng mga tao na parang love is a choice or love is a commitment. You will feel and you will understand that to its fullest extent once you get married. Parang nung magjowa tayo, yes, I love you every day.
Yeah.
But when we got married, it's really locked in for life.
Yeah.
Na hindi na lang to every day, for life.
For life.
For life till we die. Yeah. Na talagang eto na yung end game.
Yeah.
And-
End game.
Na talaga. But I'm honestly I'm so happy I got married. Guys, pakasal
Best
din
choice.
kayo. Best choice. But as we're recording this is also our
First monthsary. You know, when
monthsary.
we were BFGF, di namin to sinaselebrate.
Yeah.
Like, one ngayon Nice. Chill lang kami. Kasi si Alec, hindi siya believer masyado ng monthsary. Anniversaries lang.
Yeah.
Pero now daw, na married na kami, isi-celebrate na namin.
Yes. And as we celebrate it, I have a small little gift for you.
Ay, finally! Hiningi ko to, guys. Grabe, nasa vision board ko to. Oh my gosh, finally, I received flowers. What the heck? Thank you so much.
Happy first month.
Yeah! Thanks, babe! Alam nyo, ito lang ang advice ko talaga sa girls. Ask for what you want. Mga 1 week ko sinasabi sa kanya, babe, pag ako talaga walang flowers, ha? Tapos sabi ko, sana naman may flowers ako on our first month. Kahit yung first month lang, diba? But yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And thank you for saying yes to the podcast, guys.
Ganito pala mag-guesting dito. May bulaklak. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda. I love it. Red and pink and purple for
Yeah.
BTS. I love it. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Thank you so much for saying yes to the podcast. Pumayag na rin siya sa wakas na mag-guest
Ayoko
pangatlong.
talaga, guys. Kasi panoorin niyo yung mga podcast guestings ko dati kay Alec. Nakakainis pakinggan. Pero
Yeah.
ngayon, I said yes because I knew there's flowers.
No, he did not. But anyway, thank you again for saying yes to this, and hopefully you guys found value in this. Let us know your thoughts, your comments down in the comment section. If you're watching on YouTube, click
Gcash din. Lagyan na natin yung
Yeah,
Gcash
Gcash din
QR
namin.
in case gusto nilang mag-wedding gift.
yes. And we're
Yeah.
gonna
We
put
will
the QR
receive it.
down below. Send us gifts. We love like
Or send it
housewarming
here
gifts.
sa studio.
And all the things that you need to find out, you can just check the description box down below.
Guys, mag-guess guys sa small talk may pa ganito. Oh. Parang Tony Talks. Thank you so much, Tito Boy.
Oh, si Tito Boy nga ganun ginagawa. But anyway,
Lagi may bulaklak sa guess. I love
but
it.
Thank
Ang
you.
ganda.
Thank you guys for all your support, all of your love. And yeah, this is our episode. My Joes, thank you so much again.
Thank you, babe.
And I love you. And yeah, that's it for this episode. My name is Alec Cuenca. This is Small Talk, Small Conversations with huge impact. And I'll see you guys next episode.
Peace.
moving forward, 2026 is here. What's your banner word?
My banner word is favored. Hindi umulan because I'm favored. Banner word kasi is something that's your anchor for the whole year. And what if lahat ng nangyayari, even if it's negative, ang nasa isip mo, syempre, favorite ako ni Lord.
How has your definition of love evolved?
Feel ko, you finally have a person na sure ka na yan na yung kasama mo for life. This is now your new family. So the only person that you need to protect is each other. That's what changed ever since we got engaged.
The moment na sinabi ko pa lang sa'yo na, Diyos, gusto ko manligaw, sure na ako na pag sinabi ko yung mga words na yon, endgame na to.